Good morning, we are here at Arena 4B sa Arena! Pag-vlog ko na lang.
Hi, see, I'm always early. 11 a.m. call time. Wala kang 10.
Si AJ.
Si Tarda.
Malaya tayo
Saan tayo?
dancers.
Si
Pia yan.
Si Pia yan. Gusto ko, di ba? Hindi ko naman.
Yes, queens!
Hey guys! Good morning!
Kahit ano lang, daanan lang natin yung vlog.
Morning! Morning!
Para lang. Morning, Daddy.
I love the jacket.
Morning. Like kahit tayuan lang kung ano yung vlog niyo. Tapos adjust kami while dancing.
Yes!
Para lang, you know.
Secret muna kung ano yan. Secret muna, secret! Shhh!
Lalakad ko kami to get some coffee kasi we're just some optic pabili pero we wanna do one walk. Wanna just like, even though I'm extremely tired, I feel like after doing palabanan yung boomerang.
Hindi na ako makakatulog.
When they first called, I was with my eyes were like half asleep.
Yeah. Sobrang hirap ko gumising kanina, pero ngayon, sobrang hirap ko matulog.
And now we're like moms, while we're going to get early morning coffee, we're discussing our children. Like I'm discussing surgery for my dog. Hindi to kailangan ng explanation. Sino mo na gumawa ng bang? Si Darla Marie.
AJ.
Ako kasi.
Ang alamat ng...
Ito.
Parang siyang cockatoo.
Ang ganda ni AJ.
Ayun pala yung pinos ko!
Sabay-sabay siyang duwako. Tapos wala ko, mga 5 seconds, 10 seconds na nakaganyan. Buti na lang titilaak na ako.
Yan, as in bangs mo yan, totoo.
Hindi, may
Hindi na ano, si Q.
Hindi, may hangin kasi.
Tapos may hangin.
Di man lang isa.
Oh, hindi. I felt so naked.
Sabi ba ni Egypt? Bila-bila.
Wow!
Go, girls! Let's go!
For the concert, mag-run ako sa Dolores. Paano yung talon kanina dyan?
Baby. Oh, baby. Oh. How would you wear?
Hindi mo alam.
Ako, gagayahin kita sana. Ganon.
Ilangasan po yung
Ibigan mo.
ano mo ni Jay?
Sample.
No. It's only for sa concert na siya.
Hanapin nyo na lang sa profile ni AJ. Pinost na AJ.
Morning. I'm freezing outside. Inside it's hot.
Guys, pwede na akong basketball, guys.
How are you ready mag-basketball?
Sidestep.
Si Coach Jordan.
Ako maging cheerleader niyo.
3 points.
Pick up some shit.
So, bilig
Oh, basketball. Oh.
Nakit my shoulder. Ang haba. Nakit my shoulder.
Para ano? Parang iba yan.
Coach.
Ganda naman ang setup.
Andaran. Sa sariling paa, may tandang na hindi Gumigit na pa ako. Tapos nung magsisipaan na sila, ayoko na palang gumit na. Bahala na kayo. You're late.
I'm early. I'm on Pacific Standard Time.
No. Sabi ko 7 o'clock. Anong oras na? 10 na.
I don't understand what you're saying.
Hindi marunong basa ng what na.
See?
Alas balahibo.
So, ano po position niyo sa basketball? Anong
Centerman. Ako yung center.
Sa gitna.
Kasi ako yung pumapalo from the 6. Ha? Ano daw? Kasi ako dati ng training ng kuya ko. So, they have something like this.
Ano? Ay, palagi nagmumura ako sa vlog. Gusto ko. Sabihin. Pasensya kasi. Ayun lang po. Pero nagpapasensya ako sa kanila. Kasi yun lang po. I come from London.
Guys, say hi to Vision. Vince Enzo.
Pagod na. Kuminom ka na.
Alam nyo ba guys?
Ano?
Siya yung kauna-unahang member ng Vision.
Yes. And,
Hindi ako kauna-unahan, ako last eh.
ay, ikaw last. Totoo ba?
My God, they've been together for like what, 5 years?
God.
But di mo pa rin alam na ako
sorry.
yung last? Oh my
My
God,
fault.
Enzo.
My fault.
But I know all this time na you're the first.
I was the first. And you were the last. Yay!
So, nakalagay sa t-shirt niya, hit me hard and soft.
Yes.
Where you hit hard and soft?
No, I'm the one who's hitting.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
I like both.
Oh, very...
Because, Billie Eilish is my all-time favorite. So whatever she can do, I
Okay.
will do it.
Oh, damn. Damn.
Yeah. What about you? Who's
What
your
about me?
inspiration?
My inspiration. Sorry, ikaw ba, coach? Magaling mag-basketball.
Yes, coach.
one-on-one na tayo?
Isa pa ako kasama.
Pero online coach.
Natatakot naman si
Hindi ako marunong.
Coach, magaling siya mag-shoot pero yung sa time zone.
Oo,
Pero sa time zone.
Magaling po siya, coach, pero
Pagka.
Pagilid. Magaling ako mag-shoot. What time is the game? Here at the side court of MOA Arena. So today, here,
wala siyang wristband. Saan galing to?
ito ang wristband ko.
Saan galing to? Security.
Face card.
Security.
No, kaya side court.
Saan galing yung microphone
Side
niya?
court. Courtside pala.
Sino nagbigay sa kanya?
So today, we are here at MOA Arena to experience Dida sa arena kung saan magaganap ang basketball tournament.
The same girl claiming to be nonchalant.
Tuloy ng laro ni David Licauco. Oh yeah, feeling and Gerald Anderson. Wow, amazing artist. So today we have here Darla. Na kung saan siya ang manager ni Jay Salcedo, ang top star in the making.
Yeah.
So what can you say about today's event?
Sorry, I didn't get your question.
Oh, that's the answer. Next. Let's interview the most astonishing, the most elegant, and the most amazing person in the world based sa kanya, Jonah.
Yes?
How do you feel na nandito ka ngayon sa MOA Arena witnessing you?
I'm so, yeah.
Proud of myself.
He's so yeah. Let's search what's the meaning of yeah. Is it an adjective? Is it a noun? Is it a verb? I don't know.
Spokesperson.
So we have here the spokesperson of Jonald, the amazing, the accombogable star. We have here Alfea Marie Zulueta. Please let me know, being the spokesperson of this person.
Sabi niya, ang ganda-ganda ng spokesperson ko.
Thank you so much. Wow, talaga namang grabe. Like the basketball, it's like ball. Bola. At we have here the ever beautiful, the ever stoic, nonchalant, most nonchalant in the world, Migs. So ngayon, anong Anong masasabi mo that you're here in Mo Arena witnessing this amazing event?
I can't
See, I told you, the most nonchalant, the most stoic, the most speechless man in the world.
Thank you. Pero thank you daw.
Dati yung ibang artist na yun. I'm a survivor!
Naging music video na.
It's like Freaky Friday. Calling my phone like I'm not when I'm flying, fucking helicopter. Cop pulling up like I'm getting drunk. Nah, come on, stop. Like I'm locked up now, and I'm in the fucking helicopter. I'm a pop star, not a doctor. Ariana, Selena, that G20 remix.
We're gonna fucking get this. Our long hair. Guys, that's mine. Tomboy.
Ikaw pa rin pala, hanap-hanap para-pap na kahit magpapalala.
Sorry, sige.
Oh, ayan
Siga,
yung walawa,
siga.
walawa.
Siga oh, siga oh.
Pogi, oh. Ang pogi, oh.
Hulas proof, skin caring, 24-hour wear, Maybelline Luminat.
Parinig mo pag alto ba?
Sobrang baba.
You're the one I love, you're the one I need, you're the only one I see. My baby, it's you.
Na ginagawa niyo yung intro kayo. And then after nun, diba?
Para tayo, friend. Guling-guling na tayo. After second quarter. Nakascore naman na yung ilaga ko.
Hindi na,
Di ba ganito sila?
Wala, ang dami kong problema sa contact lens ko. Yung isa po net, yung isa may masakit sa mata, yung isa yung gano'n magmahigit ko.
Hi, G22 Vlog! Hi, G22 Vlog! Congrats! Grabe performance! Ay, gusto kayo nagsasabay? Sabay mag-bigas. So, ang message lang namin, ang wish ko sa'yo, sana lumaki ka. Charat! Birthday pala. Yes. Salamat po at napaunlakan kami dito sa vlog ng G22. Kaya naman,
Sa akin, eto, baka magkamali siya. Complete the lyrics. Mag-aalas 12, kailangan ng... Naku, sa alam ko. Mag-aalas 12, kailangan ng... Sa puweting na oras biglang nawawala, ngunit sa puso ko ikaw ang... Alas 12, alas 12.
Kailangan na.
Alas 12. Shit! Mali! I love you, Kalista! Sorry, I love you, Kalista! Sorry.
Dahil dyan, minus 2 points kay AJ kasi Kalista yung mali niya.
Sorry, Kalista. Mahal ko kayo. Joke lang. Mahal na
Joke
mahal ko
lang.
kayo, Kalista. Minus 3
Joke lang.
points.
Dahil Kalista, mahal na mahal namin kayo.
Yeah, alis ka
Ima-minus
dito,
namin
Kalista.
2 points.
Charat, I'll take this chance to promote Kalista. Viva Pride! Love you, girl! G22! Yes! Sa concert nila, manood kayo, bumili na kayo ng ticket! Open nyo na, kuya!